Hey everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach. Wanted to welcome you aboard our brand new 2022 Cruisers Yachts 54 Cantius. We are now on the back of the cockpit of the 54 Cantius, and you can see some incredible seating for 8 on the back here with a beautiful teak settee that can have a hydraulic fold down, and then has a filler cushion to create a beautiful sun pad in the back here. When you're not wanting the sun and still wanting to entertain on the back, we have a sure shade that will come out of the hardtop. As we come over to our left side, you have your excellent bar stools, which Cruisers is known for, and then having your indoor-outdoor bar and an ice machine right at a hand's reach. We're now going to head inside and check out the salon and then the helm of the boat. Vertical integration is key with Cruisers yachts, and one of the first things you notice when you come into the galley is the beautiful custom cabinetry. This is the high gloss ebony wood, dark wood on this, and you have your Corian countertops, so a nice contrast in the looks in this boat, and a very functional galley on this boat as well. So you have fridge freezer combinations here. You have a full dishwasher and another ice maker all inside. Have a electric stovetop and sink, but notice how you have the Corian countertop fillers, so really nice prep area in this boat. Up at the helm, we have a captain's chair with armrest and bolsters that fold all the way down, adjustable steering, and then a great display of your twin Garmin GPS chart plotters on the front. We're now down in the cabin level area, but before you go in the cabins, you have some nice space here for folding laundry, and then also your 36 bottle wine storage, and then access to your day head back here. We're now down in the full beam master, and I'm sitting in a nice ready room, as well as your beautiful queen size bed beside me, and a great entertaining room at night with a nice Samsung TV up front. You want to give your guests as much comfortable room as possible, so the VIP berth is a great example with the walk-around island bed, and then lots of great natural light in here as well. We're now rounding out our third stateroom on the boat with our bunk bed setup with a double on bottom. Great entertaining features in this room as well, along with natural light to keep your guests happy during the evening. We're now down in the engine room. As you can see, I'm 6'3" and have great head clearance down in here, easy access. And we're looking at now your twin Volvo D11 Penta. These are the IPS drives with producing 725 horsepower each. We also have this boat equipped with a Seakeeper 9 stabilizer, fire suppression system, and very easy access to be able to fix anything on the boat. Thank you so much for joining me aboard our 2022 Cruisers Yachts 54 Cantius. Again, my name is Chris Honig, and look forward to showing you this boat or any others. Please give us a call at 910-256-8100, and look forward to seeing you out in the water soon.